In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create posters in Figma. By the end, you'll know how to find great poster templates in the Figma community, bring one into your workspace, and place it right into your project so you can start customizing immediately. First, open your browser and go to figma.com. You can do this in the web app or the desktop app. Both work the same for what we're doing here. Make sure you're in your main Figma workspace so you can easily access your files and drag resources where you need them. Next, head to the community. This is Figma's built-in library of files and templates shared by creators around the world. You'll find it in the navigation or sidebar. Think of community as your shortcut to ready-made layouts, design systems, and in our case, professionally designed posters you can adapt to your needs. In the community search bar, type posters. You'll see a range of results: single designs, full template packs, and example collections. You can skim the thumbnails to get a quick sense of style and content. If you're aiming for print, look out for mentions of sizes like A3, A4, or 24 at 36 inches. If you're focused on digital, look for templates labeled for social posts or story formats. When you find a template you like, click it to open the file's detail page. Here you can preview more images and read a brief description of what's included. If it looks right for your project, click Open in Figma. This will load the file into your editor so you can work with it. Some files may say duplicate or get a copy. Open in Figma achieves the same outcome by bringing the content into your workspace. Once the file opens, select the specific poster design you want. The easiest way is to click the poster's frame on the canvas or select it in the Layers panel to make sure you've got the whole layout, not just a single element. Then press Ctrl+C on Windows or Command+C on Mac to copy it. Now go to your project and paste. Open the file where you want the poster to live and press Ctrl+V or Command+V. The poster will appear on your canvas, keeping its fonts, colors, and layout intact. From here, you can rename the frame, swap in your text and images, and adjust colors to match your brand. If the size needs to change, scale the frame thoughtfully and keep an eye on margins and alignment so the design stays balanced. That's it. Browse, open, copy, and paste. You now have a poster in your own project ready to edit and share.